Hello Dnation and welcome back to another unbox and review episode. In today's episode we're going to be unboxing a 1/12 scale limited edition Kawasaki Z900RS Cafe Racer diecast motorcycle which is manufactured by Maisto. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging, which seems to be a signature Maisto boxing, which is premium as always. This diecast motorcycle comes with a clamshell window type boxing with all the product branding and information. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we set this beauty free. And with that out of the way, let's crack this thing open. And please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5 as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this open. Well, at first glance, this limited edition diecast model looks quite premium and has a good build quality to it and also has quite a bit of detailing like its real life counterpart. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components made of hobbiest plastic, which makes it quite premium. This model measures in at 7 inches in length, 4 inches in height, 2 inches in width and weighs in at about 130 grams. This model also comes with the Kawasaki trademark paint tabs with signature branding details. And this model also has free rolling wheels, a kickstand, excellent suspension and a lot more intricate details which makes it a premium collectible which is functional as well. I'm happy that I made a choice to get this variation as I'll be able to add this to my ever-growing 1/12 scale motorcycle collection. And with this model you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. And so with that being said, now let's place this diecast beauty on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and functionality. Kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium diecast model in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium Kawasaki Cafe Racer replica motorcycle. And so with that being said, let's place this diecast model on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this Cafe Racer in a 360-degree view. Now as we take a look at this premium diecast collectible, here are a few fun facts. A Cafe Racer is a lightweight, powerful motorcycle optimized for speed and handling rather than comfort and for quick rides over short distances. With bodywork and control layout recalling early 1960s Grand Prix road racing motorcycles, Cafe Racers are noted for their visual minimalism, featuring low-mounted handlebars, prominent seat cowling, and an elongated fuel tank and knee grips indented in the fuel tank. The term originated among the British motorcycle enthusiasts of the early 1960s in London, especially within the rocker youth subculture, where the bikes were used for short quick rides between popular cafes in Watford at the Busy Bee Cafe and the Ace Cafe in Stonebridge, London. By the early 1960s, the cafe racer's significance was that a bike had to come to represent speed, status and rebellion rather than mere inability to afford a car. Further information on the cafe racer, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 1/12 scale diecast motorcycle that is featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go and check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this Kawasaki Cafe diecast motorcycle replica. And as we are rapidly approaching our 500 subscriber mark, kindly continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our videos. And stay tuned for a lot more fun stuff coming up. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this particular topic, kindly do drop your comments below. And please stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.